And welcome back to DC News Now at noon. Your time is 12:15. Meteorologist Damon Matson is joining us now with another look at our forecast. Again, today, a DMV first warn day.
Right. Yeah, we have a nasty storm system rolling in. Last week, you remember all that rain we dealt with multiple times?
Absolutely.
We haven't had that this week, but we are going to get a little bit of that here today. So we're watching for that threat for sure. Now, let's check it out, folks. What you're seeing out there is a little taste of what's to come, mostly later on going into the night tonight. We just saw the first rain shower roll up I-95, and now we're seeing that rain come down at a pretty decent clip in D.C. We can't even see the Washington Monument off in the distance there, and this is just a brief shower. There's going to be even steadier rain coming in later on tonight, so this is what we'll have to gear up for as we move ahead over the next several hours. If you have plans to be out and about, be aware it's going to get a little bit nasty out there for sure. And there it is, the one lone shower that we have seen so far today. It developed down near Fredericksburg, it rolled up Interstate 95, and now it's actually weakening a little bit, but overall we're still seeing some pretty steady rain across Fairfax County out toward Annandale, Jefferson, Alexandria as well there, and then up into the DC Metro. We're just getting some of that rainfall, the leading edge of it rolling into the district, but we have some stronger storms potentially on the way as well. The environment out there is certainly favorable for these sort of storms to develop, and oh, by the way, it's turning blustery. We have wind gusts approaching 30 miles per hour out of the south, and it's this southerly wind that's bringing in the warmer air and the moisture that's needed for this rainfall and these storms that we're expecting to, again, gain that strength and bring about some very unsettled conditions. Now, here's a look at that severe outlook for today. Severe weather, for the most part, as we've led up to the day today, has not been a primary concern. It was more that heavy rainfall, which flooding is still a thing we're watching for. However, that severe weather has started to also pop up for our western counties here. All the yellow you see, level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. If we get any strong to severe storms, they're likely to produce some very strong gusty winds, potentially some small hail, and we can't totally rule out a spin-up tornado in that mix as well. Off to the east, the severe chance a little bit lower, but it's not zero as you approach I-95 in the D.C. Metro. Now, we're getting that one rogue shower right now in the district, but here we are approaching 1 o'clock. For the most part, we're still on the drier side of things across a large majority of the DMV, but that first true wave of steady rainfall finally gets here during the middle of the afternoon, 3 to 4 o'clock. We start to see that spread out to the west of I-95. That rain will then start across D.C. as well, closer to 4 o'clock. Now, we'll deal with this first batch of steady rain as we go into the evening. It's going to keep on pushing to the north, while off to our west, the main line of heavier rainfall and stronger storms will begin to roll in along this storm system's cold front. So as we approach 7, 8, 9 o'clock, well, we still don't see a lot of activity, but it's during the middle of the night that this primary batch of rain and storms will be arriving. We're talking midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. A lot of us don't have to be out and about in this, but we will have to stay aware through the night tonight for that possibility of severe weather, of some isolated flooding. There's that yellow and orange indicating that much heavier rainfall that could develop, but as quickly as it arrived, well, this system and all of that severe weather and heavy rainfall will be wrapping up just like that as we head into the early morning hours on your Friday. 4 to 5 o'clock, we're seeing things already begin to clear out in terms of the heavier rainfall, though a few scattered showers and some gusty winds will be sticking around into the day on Friday. So that's the primary time frame we're watching for here, folks. Things will certainly get a little interesting later this afternoon into the night. DMV first warn day in effect for that. And again, we'll see things improve slowly Friday, staying breezy Saturday with warm temperatures and calmer conditions sticking around then heading into the beginning of next week.
All right, Damon.